Welcome to the world of castor oil, a versatile elixir with a rich history and countless benefits that can transform your daily routine. From promoting lush hair growth to nourishing your skin, castor oil is like a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of this liquid gold of nature? Castor oil isn't just another item hidden away in your medicine cabinet. It's a versatile elixir with a fascinating history and countless benefits that can transform your daily life. From promoting lush hair growth to nourishing your skin, castor oil is like a secret potion hiding in plain sight. In this video, we'll explore the magical world of castor oil, uncovering its myriad benefits and surprising uses that can enhance your well-being. Castor oil has gained recognition for its effectiveness in promoting gastrointestinal health. Its laxative properties, attributed to the presence of racemolic acid, stimulate bowel movements and relieve constipation. However, it's crucial to exercise caution and adhere to recommended dosages to avoid adverse effects, such as diarrhea. In addition to its internal applications, castor oil serves as a potent ingredient in skincare formulations. Its emollient properties make it an excellent moisturizer for dry, rough skin. By forming a protective barrier, castor oil helps lock in moisture, leaving the skin supple and hydrated. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it effective in soothing irritated skin and combating bacterial infections. Castor oil is a natural and cost-effective way to boost hair growth. Extracted from castor beans, this thick, pale yellow oil is packed with nutrients that keep your scalp healthy by preventing infections that could slow down hair growth. Rich in omega-6 fatty acids, castor oil improves blood circulation to your scalp, ensuring that more nutrients and oxygen reach your hair follicles, promoting growth. Its nourishing properties, including vitamins, minerals, and proteins, strengthen your hair, preventing breakage and allowing it to grow longer and healthier. Castor oil works wonders in thickening your eyelashes and eyebrows. Its rich composition, packed with nourishing elements like fatty acids, vitamins, and proteins, promotes hair growth by penetrating deeply into their hair follicles, strengthening them from the roots. Regular application moisturizes and conditions your lashes and brows, preventing them from becoming brittle and prone to breakage, resulting in fuller, healthier-looking lashes and brows. Rich in fatty acids like racemolic acid, castor oil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that make it effective against acne, pimples, and other skin blemishes. It forms a protective barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and reducing irritation for conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Castor oil aids in fading scars and stretch marks, promoting collagen production of youthful-looking skin. It can also provide relief for sunburns, reducing redness and pain. Castor oil's benefits extend beyond skincare to hair care as well. Regular application of castor oil to the scalp can nourish hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Its moisturizing properties help prevent dryness and breakage, resulting in stronger, more luscious locks. Additionally, castor oil is believed to be effective in addressing scalp conditions like dandruff and itchiness. Interestingly, castor oil has found applications in the field of aromatherapy. Its mild, nutty aroma makes it a popular carrier for oil for diluting essential oils. When used in massage blends or diffused in the air, castor oil can enhance relaxation and promoting a sense of well-being. Its soothing properties make it particularly beneficial for relieving tension and stress. When applied to your skin, castor oil forms a protective barrier that shields it from losing moisture, especially in dry or cold weather. Its humming-tact properties attract moisture from the air, helping your skin stay supple and soft. Castor oil penetrates deeply into the skin, smoothing out dry or rough patches and containing antioxidants that fight against free radicals, keeping your skin youthful. Castor oil kills acne-causing bacteria, reduces inflammation, and prevents new pimples from forming. Its fatty acids moisturize the skin, keeping it hydrated and less likely to produce excess oil that can clog pores. Castor oil also helps reduce the appearance of acne scars by stimulating the growth of new skin tissue, making scars less noticeable over time. The racemolic acid in castor oil stimulates your bowels, making them move more easily. It can be taken orally or applied topically, to relieve constipation, but it's essential to follow recommended dosages to avoid diarrhea. Pregnant women and those with certain medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before use. Castor oil reduces inflammation and improves blood circulation, alleviating joint discomfort. Its pain-relieving properties help relax muscles and ease pain when massaged onto sore joints. Regular use can also help detoxify the body, reducing pain and stiffness caused by toxin buildup. Castor oil reduces excess inflammation, promotes the growth of new healthy skin cells, and acts as a natural moisturizer, aiding in wound healing. Its antimicrobial properties prevent infections by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi, while keeping the wound area moist for optimal healing. Ricinoleic acid fights inflammation, while antioxidants combat free radicals, reducing inflammation and various health issues. Improved blood circulation and soothing massage can ease pain and inflammation in muscles and joints. Consult a healthcare professional before oral use for anti-inflammatory purposes. Castor oil creates a protective barrier, seals in moisture, and nourishes lips with essential fatty acids, making them smoother and softer. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated or swollen lips, while its exfoliating action removes dead skin cells, revealing fresh, smooth skin underneath. Castor oil's versatility extends to industrial uses, where it serves as a key ingredient in various products. From lubricants and paints to plastics and cosmetics, castor oil plays a crucial role in numerous manufacturing processes. Its high viscosity and chemical stability make it an ideal candidate for a wide range of industrial applications. In recent years, castor oil has gained traction in the field of alternative medicine. Advocates tout its potential in treating a myriad of ailments ranging from arthritis and menstrual cramps to migraines and insomnia. While scientific evidence supporting these claims is limited, anecdotal reports suggest that castor oil may offer relief for certain health conditions when used judiciously. Castor oil's remarkable properties make it a valuable addition to any holistic wellness routine, whether used topically or internally. Its moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties offer a host of benefits for skin, hair, and overall health. From ancient remedies to modern applications, castor oil continues to captivate with its versatility and efficacy. Castor oil offers a range of benefits for skin, hair, and overall health. It moisturizes, nourishes, promotes growth, relieves pain, and soothes various skin conditions, making it a versatile and affordable choice for beauty and wellness needs. However, moderation is key, and consulting a healthcare professional is advised for specific concerns. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching. And remember, your wellness is our mission.